We are here in Pierce Park this afternoon, and to prevent people spraying with chemical sprays, we are going to try and plant all the way around that. And I come from a group which is called the Biodiversity group, and we're working together with the residents and the tidy towns and the council. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put down some soil there, and then we will plant it. And we'll plant it with plants that are good for our pollinators. And just over here now, you can see the area where we put the soil. It doesn't have to be rich soil, it can be just any normal soil. And these are little plants. This is a little plant called lamium, and they look after themselves really. What they'll do, they'll spread, and they'll actually meet each other. So sometimes when you're making an incision in the ground, you're planting, of course, but there would be roots, so I had to actually use this crowbar to actually make the incisions for the plants. This particular plant is called lamium. It's got a yellow flower. The bees, all the pollinators love it. And you can see it's straight away. It begins to look good when you put in your couple of plants. And every estate in town could do the very, very same thing. If you wanted to come down and talk to us and knock on Raleigh Resource Centre about any of this stuff, we'd be glad to help out with them. And as I say, try and pick good plants that the pollinators like, and there's a load of them out there. And in fact, we have quite a lot more plants than these to actually plant, because this is only just a few for the small. Now, these are two little cultivated forget-me-nots. Another lovely little plant. And as I said, you could plant them. You could do a lot of planting. And the more you plant, the quicker the whole thing will start coming together. And because we are working beside established trees, it might be a good idea to use this type of, we'll call it a planter. Already you can see the plants and the soil and the colour of the green grass all getting together now. And within about 12 months they should all marry into each other, all them plants. And it prevents using chemical spraying.